Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Today, we will show you a collection of clever small-scale wooden invention ideas for income potential in the modern era. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the quiet corners of workshops, garages, or even modest apartment balconies, something deeply transformative is taking place. Modern individuals are embracing the art of creating clever small-scale wooden inventions, not just as a hobby, but as a declaration of self, a meaningful craft, and a smart gateway to income. These builds, often born from reclaimed timber, leftover scraps, or affordable local wood, are more than functional objects. They are imbued with thoughtfulness, creativity, and a profound sense of identity. In an age where fast manufacturing and digital conveniences dominate, the act of slowing down to build something with one's hands is almost revolutionary. It becomes a dialogue between the maker and the material, where each cut, groove, or sanded edge is a physical imprint of intention and presence. This deliberate process fosters a kind of mindfulness and self-awareness that transcends the physical utility of the final object. Whether it's a compact folding shelf, a multi-use desk caddy, a beautifully designed phone amplifier, or a handcrafted key holder, these wooden inventions do more than serve a purpose. They embody the creator's ideas, struggles, aesthetics, and solutions. There's a kind of magic in seeing something spring to life from raw wood through one's own effort. It gives the maker a feeling of authorship and control in a world that often feels overwhelming and mass-produced. Each small invention holds a backstory, a need noticed, a sketch made, a mistake turned into a new direction, and eventually, a piece that stands as a testament to human ingenuity. This thoughtful approach to building reflects not just problem-solving skills, but emotional presence. Modern woodworking in small-scale forms allows creators to combine utility with beauty, structure with soul, and function with imagination. The creative process becomes deeply personal. No two items are ever quite the same, and even repeated builds carry subtle variations that mark them as authentically handmade. This inherent uniqueness is not only satisfying for the creator, but increasingly valued by those who seek to purchase one-of-a-kind, meaningful objects that tell a story and carry the warmth of human touch. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. It becomes fuel for future exploration, driving deeper curiosity into joinery, finishing techniques, ergonomic design, or space-saving hacks. That confidence builds not just skill, but identity. People begin to see themselves not just as consumers, but as creators, woodworkers, designers, problem-solvers, makers. And in the quiet success of these small builds, many discover their voice, expressed not in words, but in wood. In today's modern era, where sustainability, authenticity, and self-reliance are rising values, the humble wooden invention becomes a surprisingly powerful agent of cultural and economic shift. As people grow more conscious of their environmental footprint and more weary of the disposable culture that surrounds them, there is a growing appetite for small, well-made, handcrafted items that feel purposeful and lasting. Wood, with its natural warmth and organic beauty, offers the perfect canvas for meeting this demand. Small-scale wooden inventions made at home are inherently more sustainable, using fewer resources, often made from reclaimed materials, and crafted in low-energy environments. But beyond sustainability lies another potent motivator: economic opportunity. The DIY wooden craft scene is thriving, not just because people enjoy making things, but because these things can be sold. Platforms like Etsy, local markets, Instagram, or even word-of-mouth channels open up a world where personal creativity can be monetized in a way that doesn't feel exploitative, but empowering. The income potential of clever wooden inventions lies in their versatility, uniqueness, and relatability. These are not mass-market items, they are deeply human creations that resonate with people looking for something different, something crafted with care and intention. For the maker, it becomes a cycle of passion meeting profit. They start with an idea: a better way to store tea bags, a magnetic knife strip, a set of nesting shelves, and through iteration and refinement, turn it into a product that others want to own or gift. And with each sale, the woodworker gains not just money, but feedback, encouragement, and recognition. The workshop transforms into a studio, the builder into an artisan. This fusion of creative freedom and financial viability is one of the most liberating aspects of small-scale wooden crafting today. Moreover, these wooden creations are not just about selling, they are about connecting. Each item, when shared, carries a bit of the maker's story and passion into someone else's life. It forms a bridge between lives, a quiet moment of shared appreciation for what's natural, handmade, and useful. For many modern woodworkers, this emotional transaction is just as important as the monetary one. Knowing that a hand-sculpted phone stand is helping someone work more comfortably, or that a custom spice rack made from walnut is now the centerpiece of someone's kitchen, brings a sense of fulfillment that no factory job could replicate. This emotional feedback strengthens the commitment to craft and elevates woodworking from task to vocation. In essence, clever small-scale wooden inventions embody a harmonious convergence of practicality and poetry. They allow the modern maker to navigate the balance between art and commerce, self-expression and service, design and utility. They invite us to reimagine what our hands can do in a world where we are so often distanced from the origins of the objects we use daily. They also reveal how, through thoughtful crafting, we can reshape our environments, our routines, and our self-perception. As we move further into an age of personal brands and conscious living, these DIY wooden creations become more than just weekend projects. They become signatures of who we are and what we value. They represent a movement towards slower, more intentional living, where profit is pursued not by cutting corners, but by creating something honest, beautiful, and useful. For the modern woodworker, this journey is not only financially rewarding, but emotionally enriching. It is a quiet, steady reclaiming of creativity in everyday life, one piece of wood at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked clever small-scale wooden invention ideas for income potential in the modern era. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.